Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. A new flight training school has emerged locally, taking the aviation industry to newer heights. An economic option for those wishing to pursue their dreams of becoming a pilot is the focus of this week's edition of the Business Review. Here's Cody and Barrett.
Aeronautical School of the West Indies is the first flight training institution to be approved by the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority within the last 10 years. It started with the co-founder Christopher Gooden's dreams of becoming a pilot.
When I was a child, I always wanted to fix the plane and fly the plane, but I couldn't afford to learn to fly aircraft. So I got into aircraft maintenance. I've been in aircraft maintenance for the last 18 years. When I finally got the opportunity and the money to start flight training, I decided that, hey, this was a very challenging thing for me to do. So I decided to start a school that would be economical in giving people the opportunity to become aircraft maintenance engineers or pilots.
He noticed Jamaica was lacking in aviation training opportunities, with it either being too expensive or inaccessible. And so in January 2019, he began the process of getting the school approved. He was met with a barrage of challenges, but as he crossed each lengthy hurdle, he says it only paved the way for others to enter the industry.
It took us 30 months to get approved, 30 months of approval process. From ensuring the aircraft is safe with brand new engine, brand new propeller, to ensuring the procedures we write to follow are safe and conform to the regulations, to ensuring we have the right instructors to do the flight training, the right management team, ensure we have the right maintenance crew to fix it, having adequate spares, having the adequate type of aircraft, one of the most economical training aircraft, so that it took a lot of time.
But Mr. Gooden did not foresee the pandemic as he proceeded with plans to open the flight school, but it was no turning back as he had already invested all of his savings. It got approved for ground school in November 2020 and private pilot flight training in August 2021. Currently, it's the only school cleared for flight training with various payment plans and scholarships. A far way indeed, but seeing returns on his investment seems even farther.
Because of the magnitude of the amount of money we invested, based on the current student population and projection, we're looking at 2 years to make back that money. However, in this business, at best, you're looking at a 10% return on whatever gross income comes in.
And with the increase in fuel prices, the school has had to absorb the cost while taking a cut in profits to allow students to pursue their dreams. And along with associated schools in Florida and Canada, it is looking to incorporate more aviation career possibilities for equal opportunities.
For the next 3 to 5 years, we plan to introduce all the ratings, instrument rating, commercial rating, instructor rating, so someone can then instruct others to fly. We also want to do aircraft maintenance, so people can pursue the aircraft maintenance engineering license. We also want to do flight attendant, airport operations and handling, and all other related associated aviation, spin-off or other jobs.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.